UV light insect traps can dramatically reduce indoor and porch flies and moths when placed and maintained correctly. UV light insect trap DIY pest control products work by passively attracting flying insects to ultraviolet wavelengths that many flies and moths find irresistible. For plug-in sticky board flylights, choose models with replaceable adhesive boards and bulbs rated for ultraviolet, a spectrum around 360 to 385 nanometers, because that range balances attraction and energy use. For outdoor installations, prefer weatherproof traps with baffled catch pans to keep rain and debris out while allowing insects to fall into a removable container you can empty without touching the carcasses. Solar-powered ultraviolet traps are useful for remote porches and sheds, but expect slower performance in heavily shaded locations and plan to locate panels where they receive direct sun for most of the day. Position any trap away from competing light sources and doors so you draw pests to the device instead of into living spaces, and aim for a distance of at least 10 feet from entry points. Routine maintenance matters. Change bulbs after about 9 to 12 months of use, even if they still glow because attraction falls with age. Replace adhesive boards or clean catch pans weekly during peak season, and check seals and mounting hardware monthly. 3 common mistakes are placing traps too close to doors or windows, which pulls pests into the home, using old bulbs which look bright but no longer emit the effective ultraviolet wavelengths, and installing outdoor units without proper mounting or weather protection, which leads to water damage and reduced effectiveness. Move traps at least 10 feet from entryways and place them in darker spots to avoid competition with ambient lights. Replace bulbs on a schedule based on hours of operation and buy bulbs specified for ultraviolet A attraction rather than general blacklight types. Mount outdoor units under eaves or in a covered spot and use baffled catch pans or splash guards to protect electronics and debris collection areas. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and discover pest control product recommendations that match their projects. Our site also connects contractors with work opportunities and hosts an active discussion community where users share experiences, tips, and questions about ultraviolet light insect traps and other home solutions.